Our Hendrick warranty programs are available to give you every option you may need to get maximum value from your vehicle.
There are 8 different warranties that are available as single products or as package deals.
Mechanical repair service contract protects against unexpected repairs to almost every component on your vehicle. Consider purchasing Hendrick Autoguard mechanical repair service contract for your vehicle if you drive more than 1,000 miles monthly and plan to lease or finance your vehicle for more than 36 months.
Flexible maintenance is a preventative maintenance program which meets or exceeds the manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule. Our flexible maintenance programs are customized based on the year, make, and model of your vehicle, which provides discounted factory scheduled maintenance for a carefree ownership experience.
The oil change program is a maintenance program which covers oil changes, tire rotations, and safety inspections at each service. This program also comes with 24-hour roadside assistance.
Tire and Wheel Protection Program is designed to provide you with peace of mind if road hazards such as potholes, glass, metal, nails, or other debris in the road cause damage to your vehicle's tires or wheels.
Hendrick Autoguard Car Care protects the interior and exterior from stains, road grime, harmful elements, and normal wear and tear. The car care system also comes with Hendrick Autoguard Car Care Kit, which will give you the tools to keep your vehicle looking showroom new for years to come.
Paintless Dent Repair is an improved way of removing small dents and dings from your vehicle's sheet metal surfaces without damaging the factory finish.
Leased vehicle excess wear and tear may waive up to $7,500 of the cost of repairing all the covered parts, including dents, dings, scratches, and wear and tear on your vehicle at lease end.
Term Care Select is a comprehensive protection plan designed to especially protect your new car against the unexpected, with coverage for items that the manufacturer's warranty may or may not cover during a lease period.
Our Hendrick Autoguard warranty programs are available to give you every option you may need to get maximum value from your vehicle.
There are 8 different warranties that are available as single products or package deals.